Hi brave little artists! Today, we're going to draw a fire truck ready to save the day. Grab your red crayon and let's roll. Let's start with a big rectangle. This is the truck's body. Now draw two big wheels underneath, nice and round. Add a small cab in the front for the firefighter to sit in. Don't forget the windows, the bumper, and a shiny bell. Now let's draw the long ladder on top, ready to reach tall buildings. Maybe add a hose on the side too. Swirl it like a snake. Your fire truck is looking amazing already. Time to add color. Fire trucks are usually bright red, but yours can be blue, green, or even rainbow. Let's color the wheels black, the ladder gray, and the windows sky blue. You can even draw some flames in the background for it to put out. Great job, firefighter! Your truck is ready for action. Push, off it goes to save the day. Thanks to your awesome drawing. Can you guess what we'll draw next? Hello, little helpers! Today we're going to draw a life-saving vehicle, an ambulance. Are you ready to be a doctor on wheels? Let's begin. First, let's draw a big rectangle. That's the body of the ambulance. Now add two big wheels at the bottom. 1, 2. Draw a smaller rectangle in front for the driver's cab. Let's add some windows, a front light, and a big red cross on the side. Don't forget the siren on top. It goes woo woo woo. You can also draw a stretcher or medical bed next to it if you want. Now for the fun part, coloring. Ambulances are usually white with red or blue details. Let's color the wheels black, the siren bright red, and the windows light blue. The red cross makes it look official and important. Feel free to add hearts or stars to make it extra special. Awesome work! Your ambulance is ready to zoom off and help someone in need. Great job, little artist! You're a real hero. Can you guess what we'll draw next? Hello, junior artists! Today, we're going to draw a super cool police car. Are you ready to catch some bad guys with your crayons? Let's go! First, draw two big circles for the wheels, round and strong. Then draw a long rectangle above the wheels. That's the car's body. Add a smaller box on top for the roof. Now let's draw the windows. Don't forget the siren on top. It goes wee-woo, wee-woo. Let's add a star or badge on the side, and some lights in front too. Wow, it already looks ready to zoom through the city. Now it's coloring time. Most police cars are black and white, but yours can be any color you like. Let's make the siren red and blue, and the windows light blue. Color the badge gold if you want shiny and proud. You're doing amazing! Keep coloring! Awesome! Your police car is ready to go on patrol. It's brave, fast, and made by you, the best little artist in town. Can you guess what we'll draw next? Hey there, little artists! Are you ready to draw something big today? Let's draw a school bus full of happy passengers. Let's start with a big long rectangle. That's the body of the bus. Now draw two big wheels at the bottom. 1, 2. Add a small rectangle in the front. That's the driver's cab. Now let's draw some windows for all the kids inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget the door for people to get on and the lights in front. Maybe even a smiley face on the front of the bus. Why not? Now it's coloring time. Most school buses are yellow, but yours can be purple, green, or rainbow. Let's make the wheels black and the windows sky blue. You can even draw little faces inside the windows. Maybe your friends are on this bus. Great job! You just drew an awesome bus ready to roll. Give yourself a high five. Can you guess what we'll draw next? Hi there, awesome artists! Today, let's draw a taxi, the car that picks people up and zooms around the city. Ready? Grab your pencil. Let's start with a big rectangle for the body of the taxi. Now draw two round wheels underneath. Vroom vroom. Add a small rectangle on top. That's the taxi sign. Let's draw windows, a door, headlights, and a smiling bumper. Want to make it extra fun? Add a passenger in the back seat. Maybe they're going to school or the zoo. Taxis are usually bright yellow, so let's color it sunshine yellow. The wheels can be black, the windows sky blue, and the taxi sign can be white with bold letters. You can also add checkered patterns like real city taxis. Wow, it's looking so cool, like it's ready to pick someone up. And done! Your taxi is ready to drive through town, picking up happy passengers. You did an awesome job! Can you guess what we'll draw next? Choo Choo! Hey little artists! Today we're going to draw a fun and friendly train. All aboard, let's get started! First, let's draw a big square. That's the front of the train, called the engine. Now add a rectangle behind it. That's the first car. You can add more if you want. Let's draw some circles underneath for the wheels. Choo Choo. Add a smokestack on top of the engine, and don't forget the windows. Let's draw tracks under the train, two straight lines and little ties between them. Well, it already looks ready to roll. Time to color. The engine can be red, blue, or even green. It's your train. Let's color the wheels black and the windows sky blue. You can give each train car a different color, like a rainbow train. Maybe add some puffs of smoke in the sky to Choo Choo. Awesome job! Your train is ready to travel across mountains, cities, and magical lands. You're a fantastic artist. Can you guess what we'll draw next?